A lot of people are angry. I get it. There's quite a few people who are really upset about the new requirements for for getting fully monetized, getting AdSense on YouTube. 8,000 hours? Yeah. Instead of 4,000. For people like me, I don't have to worry about it because I'm already in, but for anyone who is at the moment working towards monetization and you're getting so close, you can taste it, work on it. Definitely go for it. Try to get in before February 1st. If you can do that, then you're going to have no issues because to maintain monetization, you have to maintain just 1,000 hours, which is interesting. But it's the shorts aspect that I think a lot of people are upset about because it's so difficult to get that many views on shorts. My top short has 52,000 views. That's it. I would not expect to get 10 million or even 20 million. 20 million to get into the YPP. But 10 million to maintain every 90 days. You have to have that every 90 days. If you drop below it, you're out. If you go back above it, you're back in. Which is interesting. Because I have earned about $5 off of shorts, by the way. That's all. $5. Shorts monetization, you don't get a lot. The amount of money you get with shorts is, let's just say, tiny. It's I really don't think anyone should aspire to be a rich YouTuber. Let me just say that. You don't aspire to become rich on YouTube through shorts. Because you know how hard it is to get that many views in shorts. It's extremely difficult. And even if you do, the amount of money you get isn't much at all. It's pretty small compared to long form. To be honest, getting the 8,000 hours I don't think is anywhere near as difficult as getting 10 million views on shorts. I was able to get 4,000 on this channel. Actually, I'm over 8,000 on this channel. And I've done it with, I got to that point, the monetization, initial monetization, last year with just 2 videos that happened to do really well. Really, one video drove it over the 1,000 mark, and another video drove it over the 4,000 hour mark. So back then, it wasn't really a lot that got me over that hump, I guess you could say. Longer videos, of course, do far better. You want watch time hours, you use long videos. My No Man's Sky channel, it has 52 or 55,000 watch time hours per year. So how would I get there? I don't get a ton of views on that channel, but I've got those hours because my videos are really long. But you don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. By that, I mean, don't just rely on AdSense. So I've got a couple things, couple things right now that I'm getting revenue from, and that is channel memberships on my main channel. Not this one. This one doesn't have any channel members yet, though there are channel memberships. So if you're interested, it's there. You can check out what they are in the join. Just click on the join button. and you can see what is offered. And the other thing is that I've got is Patreon. Now, Patreon, I feel, is a lot more, how would I say it? You can do a lot more with it, I think. With channel memberships, you can give early access to videos. You can have members-only live streams, or members-only chat in live streams as well. There is that. If someone has like a huge amount of viewers and it's just spammy, you know. But you can live stream on Patreon as well. That's the thing. You can post videos on Patreon as well. So Patreon patron only videos, which I do. I'm pretty much posting all my members only videos onto Patreon now. So I want both to get a taste of what I've got, you know. But besides those, like those are basically kind of like subscription services where you're paying for something. Like it's not, I wouldn't say it's crowdfunding, but you are paying for something. What you get something in return. So you get, I can't talk. So you get some perks, right? You get something. But there are other things. I've started a couple of school communities. Now this is this is something I've talked about before, but the school communities, there's a free one, or I should say freemium, and one that is paid. So the free one is you can go in, you can ask questions about growing a channel using evergreen content. So that's what I'm specializing in, helping people with evergreen, growing YouTube channels with evergreen content. And so for the free part, you can ask questions, you can get help from the community on various aspects of videos like titles, thumbnails, descriptions, or even in the video itself. And that is something that can really help. And wow. By the way, this is where I did something with the chunks, you know. I trimmed chunks, so we've got this. This is weird. Well, what would this be like if I just trimmed this little bit of chunk? I kind of wonder. Yeah, so for school, yes. Let me get back to that. That was a little bit of a weird distraction there. So for the free one, like I said, you can get help. You join the community. There are courses that I'm doing that are free, so you have access to that kind of help. But there is a premium level which is paid, which gets you access to. It's kind of more in-depth feedback from myself. So I will look at a video. So say you want help with a video with like improving its searchability or evergreenness. And so if you're in that tier, there are instructions that tell you how to submit the video, and I can respond with my feedback. Now, these take a lot more time for me to do, so that's why it's not free, because if I'm being asked by 100 people for feedback on something, on their videos, I'm going to be doing just feedback for just spending all my time giving feedback and doing it for free. I can't do that. I can't afford to do that. So the Pro one gives you that exact same thing for the base, the standard tier, but you get a whole bunch of other things, including case studies where I show real analytics and and things like that. But there's also a higher level, the premium level for that one gives one-on-one coaching. So that is quite a bit more expensive because it is one-on-one coaching and I need prep time beforehand. I absolutely need to prepare for those ones, and I would be making a lot of notes before having the one-on-one coaching, and it's a once a month thing. So these kinds of things are other kind of monetization. It is about YouTube. So it's specifically about YouTube, but it is not on the platform. It is separate from it. Other things, of course, you can stream on Twitch instead of YouTube. Twitch is good. I find that the moderation system on Twitch is so much better. Twitch is also, it doesn't lag behind like YouTube does. YouTube, there's quite often a several second to, well, quite often I've experienced like a 30-second to 1 minute delay when I'm watching a YouTube live stream. Yeah. So I will see that. But if it's on Twitch, there's not really much of a delay. And of course you got Twitch subs and all that stuff. So, I mean, that's a bit similar to memberships, but it's different, right? It's different. I don't even remember seeing that. I don't think I've seen that one before. Well, I probably have. I've just never gone past this. It's so weird walking by here. I've been here so many times, but I just don't remember seeing that one. The village over there. The Clifftop City is just over there too. So it's very close to where I'm building. But yeah, there's so many other monetization methods, sponsorships, of course, affiliates. So you can put affiliate links in comments. There are people who make more money on affiliates than they do on Adsense on YouTube. They just happen to talk about something on the video, and like they could be talking about their microphone and then provide an affiliate link to Amazon with that microphone. I mean, I could do that. I'm an affiliate on Amazon myself. I'm in the Amazon influencer program. Not that I've done anything with it in quite a long time, but I used to make a couple $100 a month off of it. But for that, you have to actually be making videos on the products and posting them up on Amazon regularly. You can't stop doing it. And I haven't done one in a couple of years. So my bestseller, by the way, is Dungeons and Dragons set. It's a 3-book set. And people were buying it after watching my video. And I was getting commission for it. But yeah, that's something I really should consider doing again. Getting those videos going again, because if you're able to do multiple videos on there per week, like it could be any product that you have and you can find it on on Amazon. And I have done that. I've found products that, well, my wife bought, and I just reviewed it. Something my sister bought, actually, garbage cans that we have in the house, which, by the way, ended up becoming my bestseller after the Dungeons and Dragons set. And a commission, the rate percentage on those one is actually fairly high, higher than books, of course. And there were companies ordering these, and they would watch my video and they would order it. And I've had, sometimes I would look on the analytics for it and find that some company has bought 20 of these garbage cans. And I look at my commission and I'm like, holy crap. Little crazy, if you ask me. But yeah, there's so many other ways you can do this. You just have to look for them. It's just don't rely on AdSense only. Let me just say that. You really shouldn't. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried any of these other methods? Let me know. If you like videos like this one, like to see some more, then please consider subscribing to this channel as well as my main one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.